Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Bartender1.com's Move of the Month. This month's Who's Your Daddy move is our 2-tin waterfall. Firstly, set up your glassware side by side. Prepare your 2 cocktails in separate shaker tins. Fill both tins with ice using a cheer tin. Once your product has been added, give both tins a good shake. Place one tin on top of the other tin and place the cheater tin on top of the top tin. Place your index finger in the top, holding the cheater tin in place. Pick the tins up from the bottom and begin your pour. That's right, we've got our super slow-mo edition coming at you. So sit back, relax, and have a coffee or 10. Enjoy. This month's exhibition move is an absolute cracker. It is the 4-bottle toss to 4-arm stall. Remember to practice all these outside the bar before you try them in front of your guests. Remember to smile, and guest interaction does go a long way. Sit back and watch this cracker move from Gavin and enjoy.